Okay, yeah, I just want to say I'm so excited for the future. Yeah, so that means can't wait to see what happens when I finish this house and to do other stuff like mining. That's what I'm excited about. I'm excited to mine, so you're gonna probably enjoy the mining video more than me building a house. Let's see. Do I need windows? Yep, I'm sorry, I just need to get an oven. But the thing is, what ingredients do I need to make an oven? So I need to get 9 cobblestone, so I just need 4 more. I don't know why I made this thing. Oh, an egg. But whatever, I'll use it later. I'm not gonna waste time. I'm just gonna grab all this just in case. Let's go. Now that we're out, I could just make my oven. Well, okay, it's really called a furnace. Okay, so what do I put inside it? Let's see. We have, we need to make windows. So, yep, here we go. Wait a second. Here we go. Okay, so far my ingredients are not working. I'm being serious. What actual ingredients do I need? Okay, maybe I just need some cobblestone, yeah. Okay, now I got it to cook. Okay, now what should I do while I wait? Do I have enough? Well, probably not enough cobblestone. That's the wrong way. Okay, I'm trying. I made a mistake, okay? I think I should make this house. Here's what, with all this birch wood, I could just make this look a little different. The ceiling, I'm not done with it. I'll show you how to do it, like how I'm gonna do it. So the top's gonna be birch wood, and then I'm just gonna put like wood planks on top, and then it's gonna be awesome. So let's go. Oh great, my axe is about to break. Should I make a new axe? Now that's more like it. Okay, now I think I got all the windows. Okay, let's see, what, oh yeah, you build. How much windows do I even have? Really? 4? Only 4 windows. This is a big problem. Which means now I have to get more sand, of course. I'll just go. All the sand I need, so I guess let's test this out. Okay, now I'm gonna get way more windows. So let's get started right here. Yeah, we're kind of close to done with my house. Okay, not that much. Yeah, so this is next video, I guess. I'll finish this off the ceiling, maybe, and all the windows and whatever. Thanks for watching this video, and hope you enjoyed it. Next time, I promise soon, if I can, I'll go mining as soon as I get done with this house. So I'll see you next time.